Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about side effects in solidjs. So what is this effects? What is the purpose of using effects? We'll see with an example. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. So this effects will act like a listeners. In general, whenever there are some set of observables, then the observers will listen it. In the same way, create signal acts like an observable. So when there is an update on it, then automatically these signals wherever it is used, that will be invoked. And in that case, one of the thing is effects. So whenever there is an update in a particular signal, then you have to listen to that and do some set of operations. For example, what I want to do is I want to create a signal by using a snippet called as solidjs, and it will create a signal for us. And let me import this signal, and what I'll do is I'll just add an age over here and set age, and let me keep it as default 10. So let me save this. Now what I want to do is I want to listen to this age. When there is an update in this age, I want to show an alert like age has been updated. So in that case, whenever I want to listen to it, just you can use something called as effect. So this effect, it came from solidjs/web, and this effect will help us to listen to a particular signal. For example, I want to listen to age. Now what I want to do is I want to alert something like my age has been updated, and I'm using that age property inside this effect. Let me save this and now go here. If you see, my age has been updated. Let me hit this OK, and now what I'll do is I'll show this age in my UI. Let me use a paragraph, and I'm showing this age in my UI. Let me save this, and let me use something like age hyphen. So save. Now you can see, once you get the age has been updated, you are getting that age property over here. And instead of using an alert, because it is disturbing us a lot, so let me use console.log. You can see here age has been updated and you got that 10 value. Now what I'll do is I'll create a button, and on clicking on that button, I'll just update my age so that it will go and call this particular effect as well. So let me go here. Now let me create something called as a button, and this button should update my age over here. So now let me use on click event, and on clicking on this event, I want to update the age, set age, and get my previous age plus 1. This is the one which I want to do. Like I'm getting the age, current age, and I am adding 1 and I am updating it. Once it gets updated, it will go and call this effect as well. Let me go here. Now you can see age as 10. Let me click on this. Now it became 11, and immediately it called this particular effect. For example, if I am not using this effect inside this, then this effect will not be called. Let me clear this off and reload. On the reload, you are getting this because every effect will be called one time after your component got rendered. Now I am just updating this, but that effect is not calling. Why? Because it is not listening to any of your signals. That's why it is not calling always. So this effect will be called at least one time whenever you are rendering the component, and afterwards, if there is any signal which is used inside this, and if that signal gets updated, then this particular effect will be called. The same thing which we have in Angular also, and also we have in React as well. In React, if you use effect called as use effect, there is a hook called as use effect, but the only difference between this solidjs effect and use effect in React is inside the use effect you have to pass the dependencies. That means all the dependencies whichever you want to listen, that listening should be added as an array in your React. Whereas in solidjs, it automatically listens to the one which is already used inside this particular effect. If you are using an effect, it automatically listens to that signal. So that's about effect. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.